Hello everyone, I'm your host Gaurav and I'm back with this beautiful unpeated single malt whiskey from the house of Paul John. Nirvana is an expression for those who are willing and keen to try single malts for the first time. Its exotic richness is sure to captivate whiskey connoisseurs and amateurs equally. Like the rest of the Paul John range, Nirvana is made without adding any colors or flavors. Nirvana is approachable and an aspiring single malt whiskey with a non-age statement. Although it's aged for 3 to 4 years, which is approximately 16 years for an average whiskey, because 1 year in Goa is equal to 4 years of Scotland due to its 8 to 10% of Angel's share. Now let me quickly show you how to make a passion fruit sour with this beautiful whiskey. Let's go.